Look at this. Can you print bigger than this? It's so tiny, the ice. It's like small marble.
Hi guys, welcome back. And today we're gonna make a tray that we can put in the freezer and make some ice. And if this is the first time you're on my channel, please subscribe if you want to see more printing in action. Okay, so we need to define the shape of the actual ice. I think I will go with a star that looks something like this. So then of course it's going to be a rectangle and a few stars here. Okay, let's open Fusion 360 and proceed. So now when we've finished designing, it's time to print it out. So I've been using my printer almost a year and I didn't know that I really need to calibrate my extruder in order to get better quality of my prints. I will put the link in description on another video from Tom of 3D Printed Horrors, and he will explain how to perfectly calibrate your extruder. And now let's proceed to the printing our TPU IceCube Tray. So finally, after the 16 hours print out, we get our tray. Well, it is flexible, but now the hardest part is to remove this support from the tray. I knew already it's not gonna be that easy because TPU sticks pretty much good and it's gonna be a little bit hard. And we get these little stars as a bonus. I'm really scared to break it, to make a hole, you know, the water can leak, but that's what we gotta do. When we get rid of support, now let's clean it a little bit. Okay, now when it's pretty much clean, I wanna burn it with my lighter. I don't know if it's a good idea, but I will do slightly inside so that the holes, micro holes, these small tiny holes, I don't see them, but I think they do exist because we were removing these funny stars. Okay, let it cool down a little bit. I'm gonna add small fillet so that the stars will be attached much better to the base, so that when you're popping out the ice you won't be able to break it, but it's still pretty hard. And I think it's time to fill it up with water and put it in a freezer. I cannot say that it's perfect. I see that it was leaking from the bottom, so basically that means either I have to make a little bit more thick the bottom part of the tray, or maybe put it in the oven. Let's see how it's detached from the actual tray. After warming up with water, so that's how it looks like. Looks pretty awesome. It works. So in conclusion, it came out very nice, very clean, it is flexible. The only problem was to actually taking out the ice from the tray. So what I did, I put it under the hot water for around 10 seconds and then I just did like this and they automatically came out. The cubes are big, so it's enough one per glass. I found some leakage here at the bottom when I take out from the freezer. If you guys know how to fix it, maybe you can comment below. And of course you can download this model on Thingiverse absolutely free. And if you want to see more videos like that, please subscribe. Cheers!